click a picture. Hi, hello, this is Anoop here, and in this video we are going to see the quick overview of Microsoft Whiteboard. So I have already installed Microsoft Whiteboard from Microsoft Store, as you can see over here. I launched it. These are the basic options. If you want to go back, this is it, and you can create a new whiteboard. You want to go back to the existing one, you can do that from here. And if you want to add any users, you can share the web link with that users, and they can collaborate with you. Okay, that is the best feature, I would say. And this is the toolbar. This is very useful. Basically what you can do is you can kind of change it, you can enlarge it. Okay, you can explain doing this. Okay, you can do this. You can highlight one part, Azure Cloud. You can select one server and explain what is this. Okay, this is basically my SCCM infrastructure, on-prem SCCM infrastructure. So this is primary server. This is very good to explain. Actually, I'm doing it with my Surface Book pen, and that is very useful. You can use the erase button to erase it. See, you can use the erase button to erase it. If you want to add another image, you can do that actually. So this is let me try this. So let me move this image, this side and that side, and kind of this is cloud management gateway stuff. So I want to highlight my Azure IaaS. I want to highlight my CMG connection point server. I want to highlight my primary server. I can do it easily. I can press this button to remove all my marks. Okay, I can go back to this diagram and explain it. So this is pretty useful, and even you can add camera over here. Okay, as you can see, you can click a picture, you can add that to the whiteboard. So this is pretty useful. You can add text note if you want. You can add text note. There are some options over here. Clear the canvas, export the image. You can export this image in PNG. Activate pen. My pen is already activated. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.